Hello students. So here few more nouns. These nouns are related to your house. Something which we normally see in our rooms. Something which is related to homes. Yeah. So we'll start. Shrunk, shrank, shra in the singular, shray in the plural. And as I always tell you, the genders write in the margin, though I have written here, you write in margin. In middle with the black color, meanings. Zofa, z. Okay, it is not S for snake, it is z. Z for Zenkar. Zofa, zofas. Regal, regale. Stool, stule. In the singular, it is oo sound. Stule in the plural. Build, builder. Tepish, so underline the word ch and write sh. Tepish. Lamp, lampen. Herd, herd. So it is not herd, it is hay, herd. Herd. Cule shrunk, it is U with two dots. U for umbrella. U with two dots, cule. Yeah, cule. It is not cool, it is cule. Cule shrunk, cule shrank. Spule machine, spule machinen. In the plural, add one alphabet, that is N. N for number. I haven't added, please add it. Computer, computer. Drucker, drucker. Over here in the singular, on you, umlaut is there, that is two dots are there. It is drucker in the singular. In the plural, it is same, drucker, no umlaut. Wash machine, wash machinen. N add at the end of plural. Wash machine is nothing but washing machine. Zessel, zessel. Zimmer, zimmer. Raum, Räume. Wohnung, Wohnung. Wohnung. Wohnung, Wohnungen. Balkon, Balkone. Lieblingsort, Lieblingsort. Urlaub, Urlaube. Arbeitszimmer, Arbeitszimmer. Schlafzimmer, Schlafzimmer. Wohnzimmer, Wohnzimmer. Küche, Küchen. Kinderzimmer, Kinderzimmer. Badzimmer, Badzimmer. Garten, Gärten. WC, WCs. Now student, WC is water closet, okay, bathroom like thing. So in German it is Wasserkloset. So it is a short form of Wasserkloset. WC. Haus, Verwaltung. Hausverwaltung. House, then Verwaltung. Hausverwaltung. So these are few words. After these, meter, meeten. Tier, tierer. Esstisch, Esstische. Vertrag, Verträge. Vermieter, Vermieter. Schlüssel, Schlüssel. Kiste, Kisten. Fenster, Fenster. Tür, Türen. Nachbar, Nachbar. Wand, Wände. Fernseher, Fernseher. Tasse, Tassen. Löffel, Löffel. Gabel, Gabeln. Messer, Messer. Blume, Blumen. Farbe, Farben. Aussicht. Aussichten. CH sh, both the side. Decke, decken. Lager, lagen. Gerät, Geräte. Treppe, treppen. Einweihungsparty, Einweihungspartys. Yeah, same word, write it on the right hand side in the plural, whole word, parties. Einweihungspartys. ऐसे. Große, großen, it is a female. Hochhaus, Hochhäuser. Reihenhaus, Reihenhäuser. Nachteil, Nachteile. Vorteil, Vorteile. Möbel, Möbel. Buchhandlung, Buchhandlungen. Büro, Büros. Baustelle, Baustellen. Krankenhaus, Krankenhäuser. Kaufhaus, Kaufhäuser. Praxis, Praxen. Werkstatt, Werkstätten. In the singular it is sta, in the plural it is ste. Okay. Arbeit, Arbeiten. Geld, Gelder. Wort, Wörter. Wörterbuch, Wörterbücher. Ch kh in the singular, ch in the plural. Ausbildung, Ausbildungen. Hauslehrerin, Hauslehrerinnen. Erzieherin, it is E for elephant, R for rabbit. Then the next words are visible and it is H, Z-I-E-H, H for horse. Erzieherin, Erzieherinnen. Now students, Hauslehrerin and Erzieherin, these are the teachers who come home and teach you all. These are not tuition teachers, these are your school teachers only, but the ones who are doing homeschooling at home. So parents, they call these teachers to educate their children at house. Stress, stressor, same like in English. Spezialität, 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 Spezialitäten. Anforderung, Anforderungen. Arbeitswelt, Arbeitswelten. Aufgabe, Aufgaben. Bezahlung, Bezahlungen. Kunde, Kunden. Kundin, Kundinen. Pause, Pausen. Schluss, Schlüsse. Tätigkeit, like how we say vierzig, dreißig, that way. Tätigkeit, Tätigkeiten. Prüfung, Prüfungen. Studium, Studien. Grenze, Grenzen. So these are few vocabularies. I want you to first classify it according to their genders. Listen the sounds many times till you are not perfect with the sound. Then make your WhatsApp audio and send me for checking.